In 2023, routing introduces some additional information to the electrical attributes. Editing the route and viewing the attributes for a harness branch now includes the diameter and length of the chosen branch. Also, a graphical cross-section view displaying harness cores is now available. Let's toggle over to the harness drawing and take a look at the new tools. Balloons are now auto-stacked at drawing creation. Orientation of the stack is easily edited to achieve the desired position. When hovering over a connector table, a cross highlight is displayed, making finding the matching connector very easy. When adding a column to a connector table, a prompt is now displayed, providing the ability to apply the same changes to all connector tables. Returning to the assembly model, multi-connection splice components can now be added to a harness. The highlighted component is a splice component that is included as part of the entire harness. These and many more new features in SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2023.